Hi, I'm Jeremy Long. I'm the managing partner and CEO of asset management at Axia, and we are here at one of our favorite properties in our portfolio, the Bellevue. This is an 80-unit garden-style apartment complex that was acquired off-market through broker relationships here in the state. This is a differentiator that sets Axia apart from the crowd.
The Bellevue sits at the heart of Cookeville, Tennessee, which is about an hour and a half in between Nashville and Knoxville. At Axia, we target tertiary markets just like Cookeville. Cookeville is an ideal tertiary market because it has a stable population due to being home to Tennessee Tech, but it's also drawing an entirely new demographic post-COVID of outdoor enthusiasts that are leaving the primary and secondary cities in search of a slower pace of life, better outdoor opportunities, a growing economy that's centered around tech, healthcare, and retail.
Recognizing the opportunity we had here of attracting a younger demographic, we knew we needed to do three things. One, dial in our branding. Two, lock in that digital marketing so it was attracting the right people. And three, simple renovations that everybody would love. We figured if we could do that, we could increase the value without having to expand. Let me show you what I'm talking about.
So we took down this wall first to make the kitchen feel bigger and more open. We repainted with lighter colors, mostly whites, to make the apartment feel bigger and more inviting. We replaced all the appliances, countertops, and kitchen fixtures to give everything a more modern feel that we knew our target demographic would be drawn to. We then replaced the flooring, all the other fixtures in the house, and the lighting to give it a more homely, modern feel.
So in just 2 short years, this property is now achieving 92% occupancy on a monthly basis and 38% rent growth from when we first bought it. And I get it, those numbers are insane. However, when we first started doing the value add improvements, we recognized that our contractor was going to be coming in way above budget and late. We had a decision we needed to make. Do we bring it in-house, try to do it ourselves, and pivot, or do we just keep with the status quo? We decided to do the former, and because of that decision, we ended up coming in under budget and on time.